Hi, today I'm going to walk you through enabling cash gift cards with Beyonk. So first and foremost, you go to the app section, go to Discover Apps, and go to Gift Cards. Press Enable if you haven't enabled it already. After that, you go to Manage, and then you go ahead and press this to enable cash gift cards. From there, you can go ahead and look into the cash gift card validity. So it could be 5 years, 1 year, 6 months, or you could do a custom amount. For now, let's go ahead and just do 5 years. And what you can also do is if you want to see what your customer will get via email when they do the cash gift card, you can go and press Preview Email. When you're here, you just go ahead and press Send Sample, and then it'll send an email to whatever email you put here, and you get to see what your customer's perspective would be. If you want to see what your customer will see on the front end when they're about to purchase a cash gift card, go ahead and go to Shop. When they go to Shop, go ahead and press Gift Card. From here, you're able to see a couple of presets going from $5 all the way to $200, and they could put a custom amount as well. A cash gift card or voucher will show in either pounds or US dollars, depending on where your business operates. And one thing to note, if you want to see where this logo is coming from, you just go to Settings, you go to Company, and this logo right here will be the logo your customers will see on the cash gift card. Thank you for watching this video about cash gift cards. If you want to learn more about how to upsell customers with add-ons, go ahead and click this video right here.